Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually add fonts on this Nitro PDF. So first you have to open your browser and you have to search for the font. So that font is actually a website which allows you to download some interesting fonts that actually you don't have on your computer, and you can use it for different uses or different needs. For example, like this aesthetic moment, so you can download it. So I'm going to download one for the example. You can find different types of fonts available here. So I'm going to download one. You can simply click on download. So here you can see the file is now downloading, so you have to wait until this zip file is downloaded. So you can see it has just downloaded here, so you have to open the file. So here you have to go to the download here. So here is the file. So I'm going to delete these two files from here right now. So here is the zip file. So you have to extract it. So extract all. So I'm going to extract that here. So here you can see it has just extracted. Now you have to simply click on this true type font file on this. So you have to simply double click on it and you can find the font type from here, and don't forget the font name here, that aesthetic moment. Now you can simply click on install button here, then it will start installing this font on your PC. So here you can see it has just installed that PC. Now you can open the Nitro PDF. Now for example, let's open a new file here. So here you can see I'm on new. So I'm going to add some text type here. So I'm going to add something like here. So here I'm on the text type here. So here you can see the font style. You can select it from here. So you have to simply click on it. Now you have to search for aesthetic. So you can search for it here. Arial, and sorry for that, there's not no texture, so wait for it. It's happening because I have just opened it earlier, so I'm going to close it right now. I'm going to no, sorry, I'm not going to save that. So I'm going to close that here, close all, no, and here you can see it has just closing. So I'm going to open my Nitro file from here. So I'm reopening the Nitro PDF here. So I'm going to simply go open a new one here. So new, and let's text type here, add it, and let's see if it's available or not. So you have to scroll down and you have to add like this. Here you can see it has just added this. Here it is, the aesthetic moment italic. So you can use this and you can type anything you want. So you can see the font here just like this. So it's pretty cool. So that's how you can add font on your Nitro PDF. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.